So do we really want to make this that tall?
That's a shoe.
Yeah.
Between a shoe and a boot.
And I'm pretty sure it wasn't that. I'm pretty sure this is what I did. Okay, pretty sure that's what I did. If you do little mini ones, you can make a whole bunch of them for little individual ones for party favors or something.
Cool.
Yeah, that's way too big. This is what I did.
Brownie galoshes for a rainy day.
Yeah, so basically one of those pieces that I cut out actually took here to make so the toe curls up.
Oh.
So all we're gonna do now, look at all this. See, I got a lot of
That's what I'm
leftover
talking
here.
about. Right there.
So we just cut it. And if you have a problem, you can put it in the refrigerator or freezer to firm it up. But look at this. See, we can just squeeze it.
Oh, it's like modeling clay.
Well, they're brownies, so they're, you know.
It's like modeling brownies.
Yeah, it's a little high, so we're going to cut it off a little bit. Uh-oh.
Does it have kind of like a gooey middle or something?
Yeah, it's chewy. Well, brownies are chewy.
They sure were.
So, and then I am going to use this guy, but I'm going to be cutting this down, so. It's a little high for me. I'm thinking.
You thinking?
Because we're actually going to carve this. We're going to cut in.
Willy-nilly?
Willy-nilly. Yeah, we're just going to come in a little bit, and we're going to make the shoe so it goes like a V. Okay? So we're going to cut in kind of straight.
Kind of straight.
Kind of straight. Yeah, like I said, it really doesn't matter if it's straight.
You're just cutting one layer, the top layer.
Just cutting one layer. Yep. And the reason I'm having a little bit of difficulty is because of the chocolate chips.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because it's hard to cut through the chocolate chips. So if you have an option to, not do chocolate chips, I would suggest not doing chocolate chips.
Or maybe not for your first time.
Yeah.
Your first attempt.
I've done these before, so.
Serrated knife?
It is a serrated knife.
Okay. Double checking.
Yeah.
I want all the tools and tips I can get if I was going to do this. I want to know.
Okay, so I cut it in half and put half of it back in, and then what I'm going to do is build a little bit on that.
Okay. You're cutting behind the
I know.
stuff there. So you cut. You just cut
do
the
it here.
end off there. There you go. Okay.
You just want at an angle. See the angle?
Ooh. About a 45-degree angle.
Maybe.
If I were to measure.
Okay. Ta-da.
Yay.
Okay, and then again, you just kind of squash it together.
Squash it?
Squash it. Okay, now we want kind of the shape of the shoes. The shoe needs to kind of come in a little bit. So we're going to cut this down.
That is so cool.
And then same with the back.
Okay. And you really are just eyeballing it.
I am. You're just going to do a little bit of curve. Cut just a little bit at a time. But even if you cut too much, you can probably squash some back on.
There's that squashing again.
There's squashing. You got to squash.
So you should be comfortable squashing.
Yes.
Okay.
Should be one of your many talents, squashing.
Right.
Okay, so just a little bit, just a little bit here, just so I get a little bit of a heel to come out here. Oops, put that anywhere. Okay, are we okay?
Yep, looking great.
Everyone see? I just put a
Looking
little
great.
bit here, a little bit there. There you go. Let's put it back. Is everyone all right online?
Yep.
Okay, so I've got it on here, so
looking
I'll
good.
pull it off my
Like
off my board.
Kind of looks like a brownie shoe.
Grabbing my frosting. Okay, so there's those. Look at all the brownies I have. This should keep someone in chocolate heaven for quite a time.
There we go.
Oh my gosh.
Right.
Get this out of the way. Oh yeah, everybody. All right.
Party.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to frost it.